What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally ColorOS is now available for OnePlus 8 series. Initially it was only limited for Chinese variants, but now it can be flashed on any variant of OnePlus 8 series. If you guys want to try out ColorOS on your device, I'll leave the download links in the description below along with the installation guide. So in this video let's take a look at ColorOS, which I've installed it on my OnePlus 8. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 8. Let me show you the software information first by going to settings, about phone, and here you can see device is OnePlus 8, Android version is Android 11 and ColorOS version is 11.2. And I'm exactly not sure whether we'll receive OTA updates of ColorOS or not. If we get any OTA update, I'll update you guys about the same. There are lots of UI changes between ColorOS and OxygenOS. Toward the left hand side you can see I have OxygenOS 11 running on my OnePlus 9, and towards the right hand side we have ColorOS, which is also based on Android 11. With ColorOS we have easy access with one hand to the entire quick setting panel, but that's not the case on OxygenOS. Minor changes are to be seen in the settings panel, but there's lots of difference between about section of both the OS. And here launcher comes with tons of customization options. Long pressing on the home screen, we get to see these options of wallpapers, icons, layout, widgets, transitions. Tapping on more will open up the entire settings of launcher, where we have three different types of modes in the screen layout. One is standard mode with large icons, then we have this drawer mode, and after that simple mode, in which all the applications will be on your home screen. You can also customize the swipe down feature, in which we get two options. One is global search and the second one is notification drawer. And then we have few other options like animation speed, double tap to wake and double tap to turn on screen. Always on display feature I'll show you in a bit. Swiping towards the right hand side, they have their own feed which is Breno, and we can't make any kind of changes here. As you all know that ColorOS doesn't come with pre-installed Google applications, but you can easily sideload the Google Play Store and get access to all the applications from Google. You'll also have the access of all your contacts. I personally like the animation on ColorOS. Launcher is also pretty smooth. Also we don't get to see any kind of jitters. And here you can see nice and simple media control. Brightness slider is more better on ColorOS with this thick and rounded corners. And you'll also get to see lots of languages pre-installed on ColorOS. This is the calling UI of ColorOS, where we have all the options like recording calls and video calling feature. We also get to see this floating bar on the home screen, where you can have access to the recently used applications, and if you want you can also add applications or tool as per your requirement. As we all know that OnePlus is planning to add theme store on OxygenOS, though theme store is already available on ColorOS, where you can easily switch between multiple themes. And if you also talk about the dark mode on ColorOS, in the quick setting panel we still get to see that grayish color. But that's only limited to the quick setting panel. If you go inside the settings section, here you'll get to see the pitch dark theme in the settings panel. But that's not the case on OxygenOS. As I said in this video that there are tons of customization options available on ColorOS. So let's take a look at them now. So if you go to the settings panel, under personalization, here we have tons of options which are not available on OxygenOS, like themes, wallpapers. Under always on display, again we have lots of custom always on displays, in which few of them are paid and few of them are free of cost, and few of them can be downloaded online. Then we have this icon style, app layout, and later fingerprint animation. Here you'll get to see 8 fingerprint animations. You can also customize the essence color. Then we have few fonts available. By default we have this Roboto and Sans, and if you want more fonts you can download them. There are few customization options for notification drawer, in which you can change the shape of the icons in quick setting panel. And I personally like this new edge lightning what's available on ColorOS. And I hope this gets ported to OxygenOS too. We get two options to use this edge lightning. One is for notification and the second one is for calls. And at last, under customization, we have option of video ringtones. And this is how it looks. So these are the few customizations options available on ColorOS. Then we have this convenience tool option, where you can make changes to the navigation gestures and motion where we have all these features like rise to wake, auto ear pickup call, auto switch to ear receiver, flip to mute, and auto dial when holding the phone to ear. Under battery section, we have one feature which is called as super power saving mode. Once that is enabled, you can have access to the basic applications. And with current battery percentage on my device, the device is going to last for 1 day, 7 hours and 29 minutes. And you can simply tap on this button to exit super power saving mode. So guys, this was the quick look of ColorOS for OnePlus 8 series. I'll keep you guys updated if we have any new builds available for the same. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.